So we are in a little town called Douglas, Michigan. It's right outside of Saugatuck. We are approaching now the Kalamazoo Lake, and it is really freezing out here.
It's like first week of spring too.
Yeah, so first week of spring.
In Michigan.
We are staying at a sweet little bed and breakfast in Fenville, not far from here, which we will show you guys in a little bit. But I don't want to lose my head again.
Oh, better grab it.
We are in the city of Douglas, which is a small city located in Allegan County, Michigan. It's situated next to the town of Saugatuck. It has a population of around 1,200 people. It's known for its quiet and serene atmosphere, as well as its proximity to Lake Michigan. We're going to get some coffee. It's freezing out here. Respite Cafe.
Here they are.
15.
Just one?
Just one. Like a vanilla and caramel. No, I got a vanilla caramel latte. Just see how good it is.
Go for it.
It's a lot of froth. I can't even taste it yet.
Cute place though, really nice place.
It is cute. So we are done with our coffee at the Respite Cafe. It was very, very good. Very, very frothy, but very, very good. We are now headed to the city of Saugatuck.
Now we're entering Saugatuck.
The sweet little city of Saugatuck. We are now in Saugatuck. It is a picturesque town located in Allegan County, Michigan. It is located along the Kalamazoo River and near the eastern shore of Lake Michigan. It attracts many tourists throughout the year due to its beautiful beaches, historic downtown area, and vibrant artsy scene.
All right, we're in Saugatuck right now, going to another coffee place because the weather is terrible. Try to kill some time until it gets better.
Let me throw this away. Just need a small latte, vanilla, hot.
Full milk, okay?
Yeah, and this, and what do you recommend?
Let's head to the beach, honey.
Did you bring your suit?
Yeah, another hour the snow's supposed to be done with, so we'll come back.
We are now at Oval Beach. This is a stunning beach located in Saugatuck on the eastern shore of Lake Michigan. It's widely recognized as one of the best beaches in the United States, and it has been included in numerous top beach lists over the years. The beach does stretch for about 2.5 miles, and it's known for its pristine white sand, clear water, and beautiful dunes. Like a big wine drinker in this house. Look at that.
What'd you read?
Cabana Boy wanted. I need a Cabana Boy. We are back in Saugatuck and it's finally stopped raining. This town's history dates back to the 1800s. It was a lumber and shipbuilding center. Today, Saugatuck is known for its charming Victorian-era architecture, unique shops and galleries, as well as its outdoor recreational opportunities. People visiting Saugatuck can enjoy a variety of activities such as swimming, boating, fishing, hiking, and biking. The town is also home to several popular events such as the Saugatuck Waterfront Film Festival, the Saugatuck Art Fair, and the Venetian Festival.
We found Bigfoot!
This is Bigfoot country. There he is.
Oh, he's moving. Let's go. Hurry. Just found this cute little place, Crane Orchards. Looks like an apple orchard, and this is also a winery, cider.
And a restaurant.
I think it's a little restaurant, but we're going to go in and see what's going on in there. But turn around and you'll see all the trees. Those look like apple trees for the fall. They're not ready yet. It's the spring, even though it doesn't feel like it.
And what city is this again? I keep forgetting.
Fenville.
Fenville.
Just think it's Funville, but it's Fenville.
There you go.
Close to Saugatuck and Douglas, Michigan. This is my lunch today. I have a flight of hard ciders,
Looks
which
good.
I've never done before. I've never done a flight of cider, but I'm on my own today, so I'm excited.
And for dessert,
Well, I had my flight, and now you have your flight.
my very first one. It's an
Apple pie, cherry pie,
flight with a
apple crisp, and I think there was a peach.
side of
The
ice
side of
cream.
ice cream.
Wonderful. So excited.
So here we are at the Kingsley House Bed and Breakfast. It looks like a sweet little Victorian home. This is where we're staying at in Fenville, Michigan. Each of the rooms in here are named after apples. Our room is the Duchess room, there's a Golden Delicious room, there's a Macintosh room, and there's even more, but they're all named after different types of apples. Really cute, really quaint little place, very reasonable in price. So I do highly recommend it if you're near the Saugatuck area. Where are we going? We're going to Salt of the Earth.
Salt of the Earth restaurant. It has been 4 hours since our last meal. So make sure everybody understands that. And what city are we in again? I keep forgetting.
Fenville. Fenville.
Fenville. Fenville, Michigan.
And it's freezing out here still.
Salt of the Earth is a rustic American eatery. The Salt of the Earth cooks from scratch to create delicious entrees, wood oven-fired pizzas, creative soups, fresh salads, desserts, and legendary artisan breads. They also serve Michigan craft beers, hard ciders, spirits, and wines. They also have domestic and international products. We had a great day today. We visited Saugatuck, beautiful little city. Douglas, Oval Beach. It was kind of cold, but we still enjoyed it. Lots of coffee, lots of really, really good food. And we had a really great day. See you next time.